welcome back to the channel and a new video. And what have we got here? To you it probably just looks like a fridge lower plastic salad tray, but as you can see from the thumbnail, it's more than that, as after a year, 10 months and 7 days ownership of this brand new Swift Carrera 184, Tracy and I can finally breathe a sigh of relief as we finally have a snag free, error free van. If you haven't seen the first 2 episodes in this snagging series and you're watching this on a mobile device, I'll pop the links up here, and I'll also add the links to those videos in the description and the outro. In this video I'm going to be quickly running through our lengthy list of 20 snagging issues, and I'm going to let you know how long it took to rectify each issue. Now, some of you with leisure vehicles, these lead times probably won't come as a surprise at all, but to others, I'm sure they definitely will. After going through the whole warranty claim process, I find it absolutely incredible. In this day and age, Joe Blogs from Wigan can go on the internet now and purchase almost anything in the world and have it delivered within a week to 10 days. The real problem here I've found with buying a brand new leisure vehicle is, in order to initiate any warranty claim, first you must contact your dealer. They may wish to inspect the vehicle in their workshop, so you need to get it booked into the workshop. They have to submit the warranty claim, get it authorised, order the part, take delivery of the part, again get you booked into their busy workshop, and as you'll see, there's no exaggeration when I say this takes months and months and years. Without further ado, I'll quickly run through the first 12 snags, as I feel these first 12 snags was resolved in a timely manner. Our first snagging issue was this front dinette cupboard. It wasn't attached to the wall correctly. This took 3 months and 26 days to resolve. Moving on to the LED strip, that was failing, and again this took 3 months and 26 days. And onto this front dinette window surround, this wasn't attached correctly, and this took again 3 months and 26 days. Moving into the wardrobe, the problem we had in here was this hanging rail. It was cut too short. That was replaced. Again, that took 3 months and 26 days. And moving on to this ceiling panel, that wasn't secure, and again that took 3 months and 26 days. Moving on to the back of the vehicle, we had an issue with this rear gutter. It was completely filled up with silicone from the factory. This silicone was fitted in error and was removed, and this again took 3 months and 26 days. Moving on to 3 issues we had with these rear doors. The first one being the hinges. There was unpainted areas around the hinge. It looked like the hinge or the door had moved, but it hadn't. They'd just been readjusted after the vehicle had been painted. That took 3 months and 26 days. Also, these buttons was replaced as they were broken. That took 3 months and 26 days. And again, 3 months and 26 days it took for this panel to be repaired. Onto this hob sink arrangement. This grommet here had fallen inside, so that needed fishing out. That took 3 months and 26 days. Onto this rear blind. The tension on that needed adjusting. That took 3 months and 26 days. And moving on to the front of the vehicle, there's a baffle here on the skylight, and that had come unattached. That was stuck back on. That took, you've guessed it, 3 months and 26 days. Both of our front captain seats both needed the seat covers replacing. We've got them covered up at the moment with these smart looking dry robe seat covers, just to keep our original seats in good condition. The problem with our originals was this vegan leatherette. It was a really bad finish, so Swift have now replaced the seat covers, and this took 8 months and 9 days. Moving into the bathroom now, our next snagging issue was this trim here. That needed to be replaced. That took 11 months and 15 days. Moving into the rear lounge, this rear bed assembly needed replacing, and this took a whopping 1 year, 1 month and 28 days. Moving into the fridge and onto that salad tray that we saw at the beginning of the video, this took a whopping 1 year, 2 months and 7 days. Moving on into the front dinette, this table needed replacing, and that also took a whopping 1 year, 3 months and 29 days. The last two concerns with this van were the leisure battery and the driver's seat belt. Firstly, the factory fitted 80 amp hour lead acid leisure battery. In my opinion, it wasn't even fit for purpose, and I believe Swift would have known this. Anyway, moving on. I replaced this leisure battery with a 230 amp hour Fogstar underseat lithium unit, and I accompanied this with a Victron Orion XS 50 amp DC-DC charger. I also added 200 watts of solar, giving us 300 watts in total. And let me tell you, 9 months on, it has completely transformed the van from being not fit for purpose. Now it's a capable off-grid vehicle. If you're interested in the battery installation or the solar installation videos, they are within this playlist. And again, I'll add links to the video in the description and the outro. And lastly, the wet driver's side seat belt. I'm happy to report this issue has completely gone away, and it's never since been a problem. I have asked myself, could it have been something to do with the rear gutter being filled with silicone? Could it have been something else? Why did the seatbelt get wet? What caused the seatbelt to get wet? It'll remain one of life's little mysteries. As this video comes to a close, I'd like to take this opportunity in thanking Swift for the help in rectifying our snagging issues. It did take a hell of a lot longer than I ever thought possible, but again, I'd like to thank them for contacting us after our first snagging video went live, and for honouring each and every individual warranty claim. Also, Swift get a big thumbs up from me for finally recognising our frustration and their goodwill gesture of sending a Swift engineer to our home address to recover the front seats, the rear bed and replace the bathroom trim, thus saving us a further trip to the dealers. If you're still watching this, then you deserve a massive thank you. It really is appreciated. And if you fancy seeing what Tracy and I get up to on weekends away in our now fully functioning, error-free Swift Carrera 184, then consider subscribing to the channel. It's completely free. And on that note, we'll hopefully catch up with you on the next one.